Hey, thanks for stopping by. We're going to make a very fast and easy lunch today. Kids are hungry, so let's do something that comes together really quick. I just have my pizza pan, my silicone mat. Guys, these are a lifesaver. I do still use some parchment paper, but I've had these for several years and they're amazing. Just in case you haven't tried it. Okay, we're just going to make a pizza today, guys. We're going to put it on Texas toast. Very easy. Just take it out. I'm going to do 4 of them. This has already got some garlic on there, guys. And it's already got a little bit of cheese. I told you we're doing fast and easy. As easy as what we possibly can. Okay. I have some Alfredo sauce. Okay, I'm just going to get a little bit of Alfredo sauce. And we're going to put on here. Spread it out. You guys like Texas toast? You like garlic toast? If you do, let me know in the comments. Have you ever made a pizza using this? It's so easy, guys. You got to give it a try. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay, what I'm going to put on this is ham. You could add other toppings if you would like. You could add pineapple, onions, mushrooms, just whatever you like. But I'm going basic today, guys. I've got there's about 4 or 5 pieces of ham here. I'm just going to cut it down into small pieces. Make it into even smaller pieces. Spread it over top of the Texas toast. Guys, in all honesty, you could probably have gone with about 3 slices of ham. But that's okay. We're just going to load it up here. If you don't want to use quite so much ham, then don't. Or you could save the leftover ham to go with a salad to go with these pizzas. If you don't like a good salad with pizza, I know I do. Now we're going to get the mozzarella cheese. Guys, don't you just love to open a new package of cheese? Sometimes it can be extremely aggravating. First we'll take the mozzarella cheese. We're going to top the ham with the cheese. Okay. We're going to put this in a preheated 425-degree oven, probably for about 10 to 12 minutes until this cheese is melted. Okay. The timer just went off on our ham and cheese pizzas. Now folks, look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. We've got the nice crispness of the outside of the Texas toast. The cheese has barely started to char on here, and that is perfect. This is a wonderful meal for the kids when they're home on break, or really any time that you need a fast meal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.